Fix me, break me, addicted to you. Hit me like nicotine, burning in my chest. Every drag of you cuts deeper than the rest. Cocaine rush when your hands are on me. High so sweet, it rewrites my memory. Amphetamine heartbeat pounding in my brain. Every touch of yours floods me like Novocaine. I'm chasing shadows I'll never replace. Every overdose starts with your face. Whiskey lips, morphine eyes. Every kiss a chemical lie. Heroin veins, LSD skies. One more hit and I'm paralyzed. I'm addicted. Shoot your poison through my skin. I'm addicted. Every high drags me back in. You're my needle, you're my flame. I can't quit, I can't abstain. I'm addicted to you. Xanax calm when I drown in your breath, but ecstasy fever drives me to death. Your body's a pharmacy under my tongue. Every pill you release, my senses undone. Crystal clarity, hallucination glare. I see a ghost when you're not there. Bleeding sugar, bitter gin. I take you deeper under my skin. Venom veins, cocaine kiss. Every nightmare tastes like bliss. Psychic get violent crave. I'll die smiling, still your slave. I'm addicted. Fix me, wreck me, make me whole. Addicted. Every dose corrodes my soul. Doesn't matter if I fall. You're the sickness through it all. I'm addicted to you. Shoot it up, line it out. Every whisper, every shout. Swallow deep, let me drown. I'll still crawl when I hit the ground. I'm addicted. Every breath is chemical fire. Addicted. Your destruction fuels desire. Even if it rips me bare, even if there's nothing there, I'm addicted.